lovely people. In today's video we are going to make carrot oil, that is multi-purpose carrot oil for our skin and our hair. Carrot is rich in vitamins and minerals that helps the skin to glow and also improve hair growth, and it gives shine and also helps in retaining length. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified, and share to your friends and family as well. So as you can see, I'm done. I did really wash it very well, so I'm done with the peeling off the skin. All right, so I've really washed it and I've allowed it to dry a little. Just going ahead to clean this. I've cleaned it, but I want it to dry, so I'm going ahead to grate my carrots. Let's see if I can use the spatula. Okay. That's okay. All right, so I'm going to set the fire, and this is my coconut oil that I'm going to use for my. So guys, my oil is set to be on fire with my carrot oil. So as you can see, I'm going to allow it to fry for the next 15 minutes, then my oil will be ready. And that's how the frying is going. Just some few minutes, then we are done. Stir it after every 2 minutes to avoid the other parts burning or being brown. It's so simple to do. So now, as you can see, our oil is ready. So I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into this. So now I'm going to need a funnel and a strainer. I'm going to put it in this, and I'm going to strain it into my when you look at it carefully, I didn't allow the carrots to brown all that much. That's okay. So now my oil is ready. That's how our oil is looking like. You apply this on your face whenever you want to moisturize your skin and also to have a glowing skin. Thanks for watching.